Good morning, class. So, as you all know, that today is Monday and I have assigned you a test for today. So, I hope that everyone is ready for test. And here your test questions are given in this video. It's my humble request to you all that switch on your videos and note down the questions and write down answers simultaneously, and please do it in a fair way. So, before our test begins, there are some important instructions for test. First is that everyone will do the test on a sheet of paper. Second, you have to write both questions and answers in a neat and clean handwriting. You have to do the test on your own, okay? You don't need to take any help from anywhere. If there is any problem regarding any question meaning or something, then you can ask, but no one will ask for an answer. Fourth instruction is don't copy the answers from somewhere, from your book or notebook. Fifth instruction is try to complete your test within 30 minutes if possible. And if your test is not completed within 30 minutes, then kindly mention in the end of your paper the time you take for doing your test. Okay. Last thing is that please do it under your parents' observation. If your parents are not at home, then any sibling, if he or she is there, you can do your test under their observation. And after the test, I will take a feedback from your parents. So I want everyone to message or call me after the test because I want feedback from your parents. So your feedback can be in the form of message on WhatsApp as well. You can message me there that student has done the test on his own or he or she has copied. Okay. But honesty and integrity are absolutely essential for success. Why I'm saying that you have to do it on your own? Because you are studying for yourself. Clear? You're not studying for me or for your school. You are studying for yourself. And if you are studying for yourself, then first thing you must learn is honesty, and second is integrity. So, really good news is that anyone can develop both honesty and integrity. And how we develop it? By our day-to-day activities only. So, like I have given you a test, and you know what? When I will mark your note sheets, I will check your test papers. I will came to know that who have copied and who have done himself. So there is no use of doing cheating with yourself or your family. Okay, be honest and try to do it on your own. So all the best to everyone. Set your timers and start your test now. I will explain you question once. First question is fill in the blanks. You have to fill the dash move in a line. Line में क्या move करता है? You have to write that. Dash has eyes in front of its head. Dash किसी की आंखें उसके head के आगे होती हैं. किसकी होती हैं? You have to mention the name. Second question is match the following. You have to match A, B, C, D with 1, 2, 3, 4. And while doing this question, no one will make lines, cross lines and all. If you want to mark answer, you will for first like A क्या answer, let us guess कि answer 4 है, तो आप A के आगे bracket में 4 लिखेंगे. Okay, don't draw lines because बहुत हौच पौच हो जाता है और फिर वो पढ़ा नहीं जाता है. So it must be clean. Okay, so all of you are requested to write the numbers in front of every part. Question number 3 is true or false. There are two statements. You have to tell whether it is true or false. First is pigeon has eyes in front of his head. Second is the dog usually sniff to find out if a new dog has come in the area. After this, question number 4 is in what ways do you find your sense of smell helpful? I have told you all. ये question हमने class में किया है and it is in your notebooks as well. I hope you have memorized this. Next is you have to write the name of 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you do not like. Try to make a table in this. Okay. After this, you have to draw something you smell in the garden. Then you have to complete the blanks given in picture below. In the question number 6, you have to draw any object which you see in your gardens and you can smell it. Question number 7 is complete the blanks given in the picture. Here's a teddy bear is given and teddy bear is saying that God made me special. And there are a few words written on the top: feel, hear, smell, see, taste. And you have to fill up the blanks that God gave me ears to dash. God gave me a nose to dash. God gave me hands to dash. God gave me eyes to dash. God gives me tongue to dash. You have to fill these. Question number 8 is match the picture to the correct sentences. Here a few pictures are given. In this question, you will do lines. You will make the lines because there is no option given here. So in this, you will draw line. You can draw lines. Or if you do not want to draw line, then second option is that you can draw the correct picture in front. Don't write question this. Don't write this question when you try answer this question. You simply write the above that match the picture, and like you draw eye. If you want to draw a leaf in front of it, draw a leaf as per your answers. Okay. Question number 9 is imagine how it would be if you have eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do then which you cannot do now? Means imagine कीजिए कि अगर आपकी कानों की जगह आपकी आंखें होती तो क्या होता और आप तब क्या कर सकते जो आप अभी नहीं कर सकते हैं. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस ऑन लुकिंग विद वन और बोथ आईज. एक आंख से और दोनों आंखों से देखने में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. यू हैव टू मेंशन दैट. Clear? I hope it is clear to you all. Attempt each and every question. Do your test sincerely. First, do those questions in which you are 100% sure that this is the correct, and in the end, try to attempt those questions in which you are not fully sure. But please don't leave any question. Try to do your test completely. So, as your test ends, kindly open this video again because we are going to start chapter number 2, a snake charmer's story. Before beginning this chapter, it's your work to write a paragraph about snakes if you have any encounter with them in your life. कभी भी आपने snake को देखा हो तो उस वक्त क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, that you have to write in a paragraph. Okay? So आपने वो paragraph लिखना है या तो मतलब आपकी choice है इसमें, या तो आप paragraph लिख दीजिए या फिर आप एक beautiful सी picture बना दीजिए snakes की. ठीक है. जो बच्चे पैराग्राफ नहीं लिख सकते, जिनको स्नेक्स नहीं मिले हैं, कोई इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ स्नेक के साथ, दे कैन ड्रॉ ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर विद स्नेक्स. कोई भी पिक्चर जिसमें स्नेक्स हो. अगर वो भी नहीं कर सकते सो देन यू कैन राइट अ पोएम ऑन स्नेक्स. बट सभी इनमें से कुछ एक करेंगे एंड सेंड इट टू मी बाय वेडनेसडे. ओके. Till Wednesday you have time. You can complete your task and send it me to Wednesday on Wednesday. And in this chapter, we will talk about Kalbelias. These are one of the tribal community of a country who play bean. बीन देखिए हमने सपेरे जो होते हैं शाम के लिए बीन बजाते हैं तो वो उनकी जो ट्राइब है that is Kalbelias. Okay. And one of the Kalbelias says that I can play the bean, and how he can play because he have learned this art from his family members. Means उसने अपने father से, mother से, किसी से सीखा है उसे. So he can play bean. Okay. And in this lesson we will study a snake charmer story. A snake charmer क्या होता है? एक सपेरा जिसको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में सपेरा. Okay. तो उसकी हम एक स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे इसमें. It is very interesting chapter and we will complete it. We will start in detail tomorrow. And thank you for your time and stay home, stay safe. Please do your regular studies and pray to God that please stop Corona now. We can meet in class soon anyhow. We want to be gathered in our classrooms. Our classrooms and our school, Gurukul is waiting for our gathering. So everyone must pray. And you know what? भगवान बच्चों की पहले सुनते हैं। सो आई होप अगर तुम लोग प्रेयर करोगे तो श्योरली स्कूल जल्दी खुल जाएंगे। थैंक यू क्लास।